MicroTCA is a relatively new standard in the embedded computer market. Kontron, Europe's #1 in this market, has a focus on it. Stefan Rupp and Irene Hahner are describing the advantages of this standard. Mr. Rupp, which application areas do you see for MicroTCA?
MicroTCA means micro telecommunication computing architecture, so naturally the applications originate in telecommunication networks. It's very suitable to build compact, powerful systems for public telephone networks and private telephone networks. Private networks are, for example, professional mobile radio for security forces. But MicroTCA goes beyond telecommunications. It allows to build powerful systems wherever you need the computing power. In industry automation, that basically means image processing, machine vision, motion control. In medical, there are a lot of images which need to be rendered and processed for diagnostic systems and therapy. In transportation, in trains and aeroplanes, you get information systems. And of course, there's the military segment, where you also have sonar, radar, and communication systems.
How does MicroTCA differ from other standards?
When you're asking for other standards, you can name, for example, compact PCI or VME bus. These are form factors which were introduced in the 80s or 90s, based on technologies which were actual at that time. For example, PCI bus with compact PCI. Now customers are asking for new technologies, they have new requirements, they want to have more performance, more data throughput. These requirements are not fulfillable by the so-called old standards because they were not dedicated for the new technologies. Compact PCI is based, for example, on PCI, which is a parallel bus. Now with MicroTCA, you can realize PCI Express. This is a very new technology, and this technology is offering higher performance, higher data throughput. Besides that, MicroTCA also implements, for example, 10 gigabit Ethernet, also a way for the customer to use higher performance rates, to implement faster communication. These are all factors which enables the customer to improve his application and to integrate higher communication applications. This all is fulfillable by MicroTCA.
And what offers Kontron within the range MicroTCA?
Kontron is offering complete systems. Our emphasis is on the processor board, but we offer complete systems. As you can imagine, the system design is different. For telecom network, you need high availability, so every component needs to be redundant. So if you look at our product line for telecommunications, they are very compact servers like the 5080 you see here. Every component is doubled. You can replace every component in the fields without powering down the system. Of course, redundancy has a price. So in the industrial or medical segment, you're not willing to pay for it. So as you can see with our industry product line, the design is different. It's cost improved, it has a different form factor. From the point of architecture, it's still MicroTCA.